If you're seeing a Zapier error 422, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can get your automation running again. Error 422 usually means Zapier is having trouble with the data being sent, a connection issue, or a permission problem in the app you're trying to use. The good news is that this is usually fixable in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Zapier tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look for Assets in the left side menu and click on it. From there, click on Zap Workflows. This is where you'll find the workflow that's causing the error. Now locate the Zap that is showing the 422 error and open it. Once the Zap is open, the first thing you want to do is disconnect and reconnect your app account. This refreshes the connection and often clears up authentication or permission issues that can cause the error. After reconnecting, take a moment to check that your user account has admin or write access in the target app. If your account only has limited access, Zapier may not be able to create or update records properly, which can trigger the 422 error. Next, go through each field in your Zap and make sure nothing is left empty. Empty fields can sometimes cause the request to fail, especially if the app requires a value for every step. Double-check the mapped data, required fields, and any custom values you entered. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to save and update your Zap. After that, it's a good idea to test the workflow again and see if the error is gone. If you're still having trouble, go to status.zapier.com and check whether Zapier is reporting any ongoing issues or outages. Sometimes the problem is not on your end at all, and the status page can confirm whether there's a temporary service issue affecting automations. If the service is healthy and the error continues, go back through your field mapping and permissions one more time, because one missing value or access setting is usually the root cause. And that's it, you've now gone through the main steps to fix Zapier error 422. If this tutorial helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Zapier troubleshooting guides.